Hi guys, today we will talk about how to change your phone number on your Shein app. We will go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on the app. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click here on me here on down, then it's going to take you here in this window, and all you have to do now. So you just go up, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to take you here in this window or settings window, and all you have to do now, so just click here on manage my account, then it's going to take you here in this window, so just click here on phone number, then it's going to take you in this window, and here you add your phone number here, and here it's going to send you a code from your phone number. You add it here, and you click here when you add your phone number, you click here and send, and you click here on send, you click here on click and send, and it's going to change with you. So it's going to take you to next window, add the new phone number, and it's going to change with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.